All right. I think everything. Let's get Smith and see if Smith is up. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if he's not. I mean, I wouldn't be kind of surprising. All right. All right. So that would kind of be too high. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what this is doing. All right. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna use those highs and lows and see if that's gonna work. See if that works. I think that works. Okay. So the market did leave a small gap. We do got a small gap that needs to get filled. So I don't know if the market is going to make its way back to fill this gap, but we do got a small gap right here. It's a small, teeny little gap right here that did not get filled last night. We got a lot of bears getting trapped trying to fill that gap. And yeah, they got clapped overnight.
Oh, word.
Yeah, there was a gap that did not get filled last night at all. Hey, what's up, man?
Man, what's up?
You live or what?
I'm sitting here. Huh?
I say you live or what?
No, I'm not. No, I didn't have time to set anything up. I'm just looking
Readjust.
at stuff right now.
Mm.
Cause I gotta go soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, so you
an
meant like,
appointment.
mm,
Yeah, I mean tomorrow my appointment's in the evening, afternoon, so I can be on streaming tomorrow. But I got an appointment in about an hour. Dang, so they shorted that. So how? Yeah, yeah, a lot of crazy stuff going on. Biden dropping out.
yeah, that's crazy. I mean, the conspiracy theorist was saying that he was going to drop out before June 20th, June 21st. And wow, like clockwork, he dropped out. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they, I don't know. It's interesting that they keep trying to put female candidates against Trump, and I don't know why they've consistently have done that. I think Biden is the only male opponent that Trump has had so far, but he's had Hillary, and now it appears that he's going to go up against Harris, which honestly, uh, the Democrats, I mean, I'm trying to figure out why they feel that Harris even stands a chance if Hillary didn't do it, and Hillary has history. She has Bill Clinton. She had all the support in the world and she didn't do it. So I'm trying to figure out why they think Harris is going to do it. I don't know about that, man. I don't know.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, the Democrats are
That's
just,
true.
yeah, the Democrats, they don't know. It's like, yeah, are y'all, I mean, y'all just doing shit at this point. Y'all not even playing the game right. Y'all just doing shit. Y'all just doing shit at this point and hoping something sticks. Uh,
Yeah.
I think these highs get ran, man. I think they get ran. I think we're going to at least 2030 to 2050 before we see any rejection of any kind. We're not going to see anything until 2030, 2050. What I'm hoping that we can get a pullback to at least VWAP. I mean, we could see a move back down to 795 because 795 has been that level. So has that 35 level. We've seen a breakout from this level at 35. So we do see price coming back into this area. I do expect for bears or the bulls to come back in and participate at 835. I do expect that. But we could see this go up to
Yeah.
all the way up to 2060 actually. Now that I'm really looking at the charts, we could see 2060. We can possibly see 2080. 2080 will probably be the ultimate. Yeah, this is where we're going to take our profits and we're just going to wait for the rotation because right
Mm.
here, that's 100. You got 60 right here. Is that break of structure? Yeah, so from 2060 to 80 will probably be, that area that I would look for because you can see there's a whole range right here. There's a range in this area. We really had
Dang,
that.
that opening pullback.
Go ahead.
That opening, my bad. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I was just saying that opening pullback was such an opportunity to get in long.
Yeah, dude, I just hate when I hate when I choose the wrong pre-market. I just hate it, man. I just hate it.
I know, right? Every pre-market is like their own. It's their own thing. Like sometimes you get a good pre-market where it'll just sell off all day,
Uh,
or they'll rotate or buy all day. And then you get them crappy pre-markets where it does literally nothing.
yeah,
I kind of given up on trading pre-market. Like it switches. It's not consistent.
yeah. It's definitely not. It's definitely not consistent, man. That's why I have a pre-market rule. That's why I don't trade it until I like to try to only come in around New York Open, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think I'll just I'll stick to that because I was actually looking for price to really pull back to about 812. We saw that pullback, but I was like, you know what? I don't think we get that. I was Well, I guess I wanted to short it. So once I woke up this morning, I saw that this market pumped. I wanted to short it, but I think I think today is definitely going to be like super bullish. We had 3 bearish days in a row. We had a bearish Friday. These at some point in time, the bulls have to come back in. At some point.
Yeah.
841 might be that. It's just one of those things as a bear. It's like, well, if you're expecting for it to pull back, why not get short? Well, it might not actually pull back for real. It might actually keep going up. You might actually become liquidity. So you don't ever want that.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Hmm.
Well, that was definitely that. Well, yeah, they might actually try to bounce it here.
Well, I'm looking at. Okay, so in order for. Okay, yeah. Yeah. All right. So for me, from my perspective, this is still in a higher. Just looking at the 4-hour chart, it's still in a downward trend. So in order for them to reverse this trend, oh, they got to take it. They got to break like, uh, say like 124, really to like break out of it. Who knows? I mean, maybe they do it, but if I'm looking at the 4-hour, right, this looks like you got your giant leg down. It looks like it could be a two-legged pullback on the higher, on the 4-hour, but we got to see how it plays out. So I'm just gonna keep that in mind.
I mean, we could see we could see that initial pullback around 1995, 1990. We could see that 1990, 95 because I do see like some structure here. Well, no, if they break that, like I said, I'm gonna keep my bias. Like I said, 20, 2030, 2050. That's probably where the market wants to go. But obviously, we'll have stops along the way. I think that's where the market wants to go before we see any real dump or pullback or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But it is, I do see it rejecting at this 1970. We did see that, we did see a rejection from this area, so we might get a pullback all the way to 8 to VWAP.
Dang, don't look like since I missed that opening drop and pop. I don't think I'm gonna get to place any trades until I get back.
Okay. I think that's probably the best for everybody right now. We just gotta wait because
Patient.
yeah, you gotta be patient with this one. I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, the CBD is like it's somewhat positive, but as you said on the higher time frame, or at least on thing with Bookmap, it's still negative. I mean, it's only negative 700 to 800, but I mean, overall, it's still negative. So there's still more sellers than buyers, at least at this point.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, once we get that pull back into that area, I will definitely be going long. My bias is to the long side today until proven otherwise. Man, huh. So the 200% is at that, or 200 EMA is at that golden zone at 877. That's going to be, that's definitely going to be it's not necessarily a gamble, but it's which area do you want to get in at? Do you want to get in at that pristine area at VWAP, or do you want to trust the 200 EMA? That's the question. That's the question. Are we going to trust the 200 EMA? The ES is just straight trending. The ES filled this gap, of course, straight filled this gap. And now we're seeing that move to the upside. Hate that. I hate that so much. Of course. Of course, dude. How's it feel to be back, though? Happy to be back home.
Oh, it feels great. Oh yeah, of course. Oh yeah, that place. We talk about suck. Getting tortured, traitor torture every day.
Look at it. Look at it.
No. What about the stop loss? No.
Look at this, dude. I guess in the spirit of turning over a new leaf. Yeah, I guess today might be one of those days where you just gotta sit on your hands. If you miss this train, it's gonna be hard to get on. It's gonna be hard to get on
Yeah.
this train.
Okay, the
Uh,
hourly looks like it's trying to break out of that trend,
yeah,
but
it already broke out on my chart.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah, that shit broke up. Broke out the hourly trend already on my chart. So, yeah, that 2030, I got 200, the 200 EMA at 2030. Or never mind. I saw that wrong. Never mind. Here we go. Shit, hold on. Hold on. When did it do?
Damn.
I didn't even notice that we did this. I didn't even notice that we did this. I was like, hold on. Yeah.
I didn't notice it. I just look. I'm like, dang, we already. What? All right, Bulls.
What's up, Joan? You said you saw the interesting stuff in training from Thailand, Asia. Oh, no problem. Hey, we do this, man. Like I said on Friday, as much as this helps you guys, it helps us. Yo, so I watched one of your old streams, Smith, because it got recommended to me out of nowhere. It was the one where coincidentally I was going to an appointment and you was by yourself and you was talking and you switched to
Yeah.
your Top Step Live and you took a trade in the practice account and it was absolutely perfect. That was the red flag right there. The red flag because it was perfect. And then you realize you was in the practice account and I saw it on your face and I was like, dude, if he was not on string, if he was not on string. And I was thinking, I was like, I would
Dang.
have the same damn thing
So
too.
you
I was
could.
like, oh hell no.
Yeah, I hate when it's like when you log in and you don't double check everything.
Yeah.
So it was in the practice account.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, I know I was crying on the inside. It just hurt. Especially if it's a good trade, man.
It was perfect too. He was like, oh, I see some volume here at 420. You set your limit. You didn't chase it. It was nothing. You just set it. It hit it perfectly. No drawdown. And then it went up. And I was like, yo.
You have to show me that. You have to show me. I don't remember which one that is.
It was the one for CPI. I'll show you.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it was the one for CPI, and I was like, yo, I would have did the same thing because I would have saw it and been like, fuck. I was like, well, gotta make that back. You gotta make it.
Gotta make that back. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, hopefully this thing it shouldn't take too long though, and it's not that far away, so it shouldn't. I should maybe be back and I could hop on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but by that time, momentum's probably not gonna be dead and everything.
Mhm.
Have to come back in the afternoon, and I usually don't even really trade the afternoon session.
Yeah, I try not to do that either at all. I learned my lesson. It's toxic in the afternoon, man. That shit is toxic. Like, dude, it can get real toxic in the afternoon.
Yeah.
The only time that I come in, I'll look at the chart. So usually I don't look at the charts after I get off stream. But around that 1 o'clock, 1:30 time frame, I've noticed that that's when the market likes to set up. So how I like to structure the market, pre-market, I try not to trade it at all, because I see that as it gives the market time to set itself up for New York. And I want to trade New York at least until 10 o'clock. And then after stream, I feel like that lunch session going into power hour is technically a pre-market. It's not pre-market, but I like to see it as pre-market, where the market is trying to set itself up for the afternoon session from 1:30 until close. So I try not to trade that at all either. And the times I do trade it, it's toxic as fuck, man, because it can get real toxic. It don't hit your targets. It likes to chop around. Sometimes it likes to overshoot and undershoot, and it's like, man, I don't got time for this.
Yep. That's that stuff that be pissing you off too.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right. My name is Brandon, NQ Trader Brandon. I have a confession to make. I need an intervention. I actually did end up blowing my accounts. What was it? I think I was traveling. I tried to get it in. I tried to make something work out of nothing, and yeah, you know how that story goes.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, damn it, why didn't you just wait till you get home?
Hold on, what accounts are you talking about? All of them?
Yeah, my take profit accounts. Yeah. Now I gotta go back into grind mode.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Maui. We was actually talking about this 2030. So this is what I thought the market was going to do on Friday, was touch this 30 or 2030 to 2050 level, and then we would see the rejection that we got in the afternoon. But the market was like, nah, we're just going to reject. We're just going to do that. Take out that liquidity down there, because we do have corporate earnings this week, so we could see the Nasdaq literally recover this whole entire move. Literally recover it. The trend I like to see is that it likes to. So I don't know. Let me actually look at that real quick. And yeah, John, this thing is still trending up. We're gonna have to break that 950 level to see any downside. We're gonna need to see price break below 950, and I'm pretty sure the bulls will come back in around like 920, but I'm hoping that we can get an entry around VWAP, because I'm pretty sure the market's going to continue to go up. I'm pretty sure we'll probably see about 2080 today, probably like the highest we go. But hopefully we can get the late bulls can get a good entry. But my gambling days are over. I'm waiting for good setups. That's it.
Gambling days are over?
Nah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. We addicted to the NQ over here, baby.
I was about to say, what?
But no, I like I said, over the weekend, I was just really looking at stuff, and I was like, you know what, this is a great opportunity just to kind of. Okay, so I guess let me just add to context. I've already shared with you guys that I kind of lost the motivation to really go for the payoffs. I just prefer to gamble. It's just easy. It's fun. The evals are cheap. I've kind of already conquered the payout thing. Like I said, I was hitting up UProfit every week. And then once they changed their rules, I was hitting up Top Step. And it just kind of lost purpose after that. And so I just started gambling is more fun. And I will admit that I've kind of just stayed stuck in that cycle. Like I just rather gamble. But this is a good opportunity to just kind of go back to that. Okay, just to get the weekly payouts, waiting for entries, being patient instead of chasing price, wait for it to come to you, kind of be an example versus gambling. But hey, it's the NQ. We gamble. I mean, she's just made for gambling. I mean, it's easy to fall back into that with the NQ. It's just easy. And then I guess the biggest thing for me is that if I could sit here and look at the ES chart and not chase the ES, I mean, we know it's different. I mean, we know it's different.
Oh yeah, you can't chase ES.
You can't chase her.
You got to be perfect at ES.
Mm-hmm.
So, and like you said before, every point, every tick on the ES matters versus NQ. Get in randomly in the middle, and you can be up and down, and then up. It's like,
yeah,
NQ's wild for that.
What is this? And then I think we got FOMC later this month. Don't quote me. I'm not sure. I think we do. If I looked at, I'm speaking off of memory right now, but I think we have FOMC later this month on the 31st, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm getting tired of these little earning calendars, man. So that's not it. What is it? The day's the 22nd. Yeah. So that's not the right one. July 2024. Okay, so I'm thinking this might be it. Let's see if I can get this thing to show up. All right, so I'm thinking this could be it right here. So yeah, so we got a lot of earnings this week. Oh crap. Oh, come on, dude. All right, so Chipotle with its $3,000 stock. Okay, so yeah, we got Tesla, Alphabet on Tuesday. So I guess we only got Tesla this week. Oh, I thought this week was peak week. Is this right? July 22nd, 2024. I thought this week was peak week.
What, with all the heavy hitters?
Yeah. Like your Amazons, Facebook, stuff like that. I mean, all we got is Alphabet and Google tomorrow afternoon after the close.
I want to place a trade. All right, let me get out of here. Let me get ready to go. I need to relax because I'm looking at these charts and I want to place a trade so bad. But
yeah. Well, there goes that. I guess 2030 was that level. Well, we got the 227. Yeah.
Oh, but it's bouncing off the trend line perfectly on my chart.
Nah, we crashing, yo. 2030 is yeah, we might be actually going back down to VWAP actually. That's why I'll take the trade at VWAP. Or so
take the loss.
Actually, I might let's see what it does here at this golden zone because I do see an opportunity for the bulls to at least hit like 920, 930 and possibly take it back up to 990, 995 back to the 50 EMA. And the 200 EMA is in this area as well. So I'll see. We'll see. We'll see if what price does in this area because it can definitely bounce here at this golden zone, which will stop underneath this low. Or we could just, because they might try to sweep this liquidity underneath the 933. They may try to do that. So let's see. So what happened, Gameway? Gameway said that he took his second L. What happened, man? What happened?
Damn. Bro, yo.
What happened?
Okay. Damn. Yeah, it was a beautiful entry that I took short, and it was instantly up like $400. Instantly. Okay.
Okay, so that they actually might try to bounce it here. So what I'll do, like I said, this is I don't know. They might try to bounce it here.
Yeah, I got in. I got in short at this trend line break, and it was just beautiful. It was the perfect near the top of this candle
mhm.
down to so it was at 960, went all the way down to 36. Yeah,
Nice
but I'm
NQ.
out.
Nice.
I'm out though. Yeah,
Nice.
because of this BS right here. I'm out. Does he want to go back to VWAP NQ?
I
Is that
think
what
she
you're
wants to go
trying
back to
to do?
VWAP. No, let's. No, I think she wants to go
Or
back to VWAP
maybe VWAP. I don't know though. Well, it did break this.
because
It did
that
break.
2030 is that level. I was looking for it to reject here. What I should have did was take it short, but I wasn't necessarily trusting that it was going to reject perfectly at this level. So I was going to go up a little bit more.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to wait until we get like somewhere in this area with VWAP because this is a good area for it to bounce. We just left major supply. We might get a retest. So let's actually look at the ES, and ES is at VWAP as well. Hmm. Huh. ES is touching VWAP. I don't want to trade ES. I want to get on this NQ action. That's what I want to get on, but I don't want to get trapped.
You're right. 38.25.
It touched that golden zone too. It touched the golden zone.
Control.
Huh.
It could stop short. I think we might try to make a run for VWAP. May stop short of it though.
It is bouncing
If
here.
this,
Let's see.
if they can hold this new trend that they're trying to make, this new trend break.
Okay.
Hold the line.
All right, so I went for it. Wish your boy luck. All right, so we can
No, you went
definitely,
for the wrongs.
yeah, I went for it. Okay.
25, 37, 25. I'm gonna trust
Yikes.
this break. Yeah, I'm going. We on the opposite sides, bro. Sorry.
No, that's cool. That's cool. That is cool. What I was hoping for, what I'm hoping, okay. Okay. What I'm hoping for is for them to find support here at this level, at this 200 EMA. That's what I'm hoping. They swept the liquidity underneath here. It looks like the
Oh, because at 27. Oh, that's dirty NQ.
what happened?
My limit was at to get out at 25, and they I think there was some heat at 27. I think it was, and they stopped it like right at 27. Which is really kind of a travesty if you think about it. She's always doing that. I'm looking out for. No.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
20. Okay. Dang. I knew they was gonna try to. Try to bounce it there. Let me put some protection on this. As
Okay.
much as I hate. There we go. There we go. All in line. All in line, NQ. All right, we protected. I don't want to see it, of course, hit my trail, but it's probably going to.
Yeah, I should have just waited for VWAP. Should have just waited for VWAP. What I was looking for was just a quick bounce. That's what I was looking for. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Oh,
I'm
what
done.
that? Okay.
I gotta go. I gotta go. That was a quick 1100. Quick 1100. I wanted to hold out for VWAP, but I feel like they might.
Hmm.
I don't know. Cause I'm looking at my 2000 tick chart.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I. Hold on. Let me see. Put it up on the Discord and real quick show y'all my first entry. It would have been cool if I held it. I don't know. It's kind of weird
Oh,
when
okay,
you get
okay.
back,
All right, okay. All right, okay. All right.
get back into the swing of things.
Mm,
And it's slow, but
mm.
and then I re-entered short at 39, 37, 39. I should have waited for the retest at 50.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think, yeah, okay. Uh, hmm.
but all right, y'all. I got to run. Got to go to this appointment. But yeah, if there's any action, of course I'm gonna come back and look at the charts. If there's anything, I'll hop on stream. But if
Okay.
not, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
All right, man. Mm,
All right, later.
peace. Mm. All right, so let's see. Thank you. Don't do this to me. Okay, so what I probably should do. Hmm. So it does look like the Bears still got this. So that 2030 level, like I said, it was major resistance. What I was looking for, he was just a bounce, a quick bounce. He was just a bounce, a quick bounce. That's what I was looking for. But I don't think we're going to get that just yet. So, okay. Yeah, okay. All right. So that's two losses right now. Unfortunately, I'm down $800. Oh, you better not. Hmm. So I'm guessing that they're going to want to go for VWAP. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so that hourly candle. Hmm. Hmm. I know a lot of people have said that, so I think I do got that actually. I think I do have that. All right, so let's see. Hmm. Ah, freaking NQ, man. Freaking NQ. All right. Oh crap! Look at that. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. All right. All right. So it's 9:13. That does look like it's about to go long. Is that on oh crap. Is that on says your maximum orders current 26. Man, NQ. Oh, you bitch. You oh my god, dude. All right, so I was in the right area, but I guess what I should have did was waited until it got uh, mm, mm, mm. Okay. Is that on NinjaTrader 8? He says Camarilla pivots. Okay, okay, I see it. All right, so daily with calculated from intraday data, NQ on bar close, maximum look back, displacement, same as price, scale justification. All right, so let's see. Let's move this. Okay. Hmm. 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 I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. That is painful. That is painful. That's definitely painful. That's painful. Being in the right area. So I'm assuming that I may have. Honestly, I don't know where I got in it. Honestly, I don't know where I got. Okay, so this is where my first loss was right here, and then I got in right here, got stopped out just for it to go in my direction. Hmm. So back at Friday's highs at 975. We might see, actually, so we got that breakout here. We got that breaker structure. Yeah, we may see a rejection here. Yeah, we may see a rejection here. And this time they might actually touch VWAP this time. So interesting how this says I have 26. Where do I have another set of? I have another one in. I mean, on the hourly chart, it is bearish, but it does seem like they're buying it back up. But this is a bearish candle. This is definitely bearish. So the question is, where does it want to go? That's the question. Does it want to bounce here at VWAP? And actually, like I said, it might actually bounce at this 920 area. We'll see. Oh shit. Oh my god. 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 I just realized that. Oh my god, I just realized that. I just realized what I just did. I'm in the wrong account. I'm in the wrong account. Okay. I'm in the wrong account. That's why it was telling me that. It's like, why is it telling me that? What the hell just happened? What just happened? Your account is currently set to liquidation only due to low net liquidity value. What just happened? Wow. Mm. Hmm. Okay. So, wow. Wow. What? Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. All right. So I don't know if this is going to be a bad day for me. It's already started off bad. I don't know why, but I was trading in my funded account, and yeah, I don't know why I was in my funded account. I swear I hate this thing when it does stupid things like that. I don't ever start the day in my funded account. I get warmed up first. And unfortunately, I hit daily loss limit in it. And I'm trying to figure out how, because I've only lost 2 trades. And I could have sworn I set this thing to only lose $400 to $500. So that's interesting that In 2 trades, I lost it. When I could have sworn I set it to $400. Okay. All right. Mm. Okay. I can't believe I did that. Something's just so foolish. That was just foolish. That was foolish. That was foolish, man. Okay. That was foolish of me. All right, so it's 50. That was foolish of me. So I guess we just have to get it back to 1. Okay. Mhm. All right, so 890. Yeah, I think that's where we're trying to get to. So I'm going to be looking at this area right here. I want to see if they're going to bounce it. I really want to see if they're going to touch VWAP. But this actually may be going down. This actually may be going down. 850, 855. I mean, because if they take this low out, then we're definitely the next level of support is going to be this around this 855-ish area. Around this 855. Hmm. Yeah, I hit daily loss limit in my funded account. I don't know why. I don't know why my I should have been paying more attention, so it's my fault, but I don't know why when I opened up this thing, that's the account it chose to put me in today. And at the same time, I should have been paying attention. But yeah, I would never recommend obviously going in first with your funded account, especially with the NQ, especially with her. Okay. All right, man. 838. All right. Look. All right. All right. Damn, gold took a big nosedive. It looks like it's going to continue to trend down. I wouldn't be surprised seeing a bounce at 2376 though. Once price gets there, 20 actually possibly 2378 ish. We could possibly see it bounce here. 2378 on gold. But I wouldn't be surprised at 2376 though. because we got people this breakout. We had this sweep of liquidity. They found support. So see if somewhere in this golden zone, possibly here at this top of this wick, 23 or 23.78 and 3 cents. Let's see if we get that. But NQ. Way to break my heart this morning. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I see some support building up. I'm gonna take this. Mm, mm. But the question is, did I get in too early? That's the question. Did I get in too early? Okay. I guess I'm not just seeing the market today, man. Mm, mm. Let's see if we can get a retest of this high. What I was about to say. Uh, 996. Yeah, that's a good target. That's a good runner target right there. Mm. I did not see it jump. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, John, I'm thinking the same thing. It is hanging around in this area, so I'm not blind to that. I'm thinking that it may want to go down the VWAP, but hmm, it may be wanting to go to VWAP. Uh, but the Bears are shorting this damn thing. And if we do get a break, we could see a bounce. Or we could, if we get, obviously, we get a break of this, we could see a break of this double bottom. Yeah, thanks for that, John. Yeah, if you're talking about like me just waiting for my targets to get hit, yeah, I try not to allow the Nasdaq to scare me out of a position. I try not to. From what I've found over the years trading the Nasdaq, if certain things are happening, then other things won't happen. Like if it's not dropping, if I see that the bulls are sell or not the bulls, that the bears are selling it, but at the same time it's not dropping, then that tells me that we're about to go up. I just have to be patient and wait for it, and then vice versa. Um, because usually in areas like this, I mean, this is a good area for the bears to try to come in. I mean, it makes sense. If I'm looking at the higher time frame and I see that what market or the players in this game, what they're possibly looking at is they're possibly looking at this as a head and shoulders. And if I can draw this, they're possibly looking at this as a head and shoulders right here. You got your left shoulder, you got your head, and this could potentially be the right shoulder. So it makes sense that people are going to try to short this, but overall, you can see it on the higher time frame. Where's my damn mouse? Okay. That the market's going up. So we got that rejection at 2030 or 2020 or 2027. We got that rejection. I kind of felt that it was going to do this. We did get this retest back into this area of support. And so this is what I was betting on earlier. Unfortunately, like I said, I just hate the fact that that second trade, I was in the right area. It's just that I chased it thinking that it was going to go up. And that's something that I have to continue to remind myself with the NQ, that if I trade her like the ES and not chase her, then my risk reward will be intact. But I was in the right area. I chased her. For some reason, she felt the need to come back down, and she stopped me out just to go up higher. Trades like that, they do hurt. Trades like that does elicit the feeling for revenge trading. However, I'm trying to accept that it was my fault. Me revenge trading, I shouldn't have chased her, and unfortunately, I got caught. So I shouldn't have chased her. So that was my fault. Even though I wanted to revenge trade, and I think I probably did, honestly, if I'm gonna be completely honest. I had two trades like this last trade. I wasn't, I guess, mindful of my drawdown. She stopped just enough to hit daily loss limit just to continue to go in my direction. So I mean, it's just stuff like that. It's just That's what I'm trying to work. That's the other stuff that I have to work on as well. Stuff like that. Just accepting that it was a loss. I have to accept that I shouldn't have chased her. But we could see a rejection here. We could, because I do see this right here. So let me go back here. I do see this right here. I do see that there is an area right here of resistance that they are selling at. So I do see that. So what I'm going to want to see from this, obviously, I want to see this breakout. What I really want to see is price to come back into this range right here. I want to see price come back into this range. But with the Nasdaq, you don't know if she wants to go like, so it could, because I'm thinking they're going to probably want to come back for VWAP. Like, I really think they want to come back for it. But right now, the structure doesn't suggest that, for at least for right now, that they're not going for VWAP. At least for right now. Now, if we see a failure here to take price higher here, then okay, the structure will change, and okay, I can see them try to go for VWAP if they fail to take it higher here. But I mean, where can this really go at? Because I really don't want to get out here. I don't. If I got my last two contracts, I kind of want to let these contracts run. Because if they're going to continue to trade this higher, if we get a break above this high, then so I'll take one off here at this high, or they probably might come here actually with it. So what I'll do is actually just do this. I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna trail this. Oh crap. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna trail this. So they might try to come here. Nah. They're gonna keep going up. They break this, they're going up. They're gonna keep going up. But I will. I want to see what they do here at this high. Okay. All right. Okay, so we got that. Let's see. So I want to see what they do. I'm gonna let this run. I'm just gonna put this possibly at I'm gonna let this last contract run. Win or lose, I'm gonna let it run. Yeah, like probably like I'll let it run. Let's see if we can get this last one hit. We might get a rejection here. We might get a rejection back into this area right here. Back into this range. So yeah, I think the longs. Yeah, I think the longs got it for right now. And you said that, and Alfred, you said you got the starter pack. Yeah, yeah, that starter pack is just so good. Just straight from as soon as you pass it, you go straight into the funded. I like that. But those 50Ks, that's so with my funded, I never really wanted to trade the funded on I would prefer to trade the ES in my funded account. And that's kind of why I'm a little bit upset that I lost $1,200 because I wasn't even in the mindset of trading my funded account. Kind of hate that. I really do hate that. And the way that this is going up, I think. Hmm. So let me just actually just look at the higher time frame with the ES. So with the ES, yeah, okay, all right. This actually might be a short ad because like we said on Friday, the ES is not playing about that 200 EMA and VWAP, and we got it. So we might see an initial rejection here on the ES initially because I mean we see this high right here. They might run this high at 607 because we do see that it has been resistance. We're going to probably get a stop run possibly to this high at around 613. 612, 613, right around this area with the 200 EMA. And we're going to probably see a rejection from there. Or let me be more clear. We may see people take profits here at 614 on the ES. We could possibly see that happen. I don't think that we will get a full-blown reversal, but we could possibly see about 570, like 570 to, yeah, about like 570 possibly. Yeah, we could see that. Possibly around 587, probably more likely. Because this was a drop and this was basically a pullback. So they might actually try to go for VWAP on this one. I wouldn't try to short this. I mean, this will be a good risk reward short. But like I said, I would wait for the 613, 614 possible entry. Let me just look at this real quick. Let me look at the. Yeah, because that 13 level, oh, that's where it's at. I don't know where that came from. Okay, so magic extension. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's exactly where I'll take a short. I would actually take a short around 613. 613, 614 is where I would get short on the ES. But if we see a rejection here, I would look for a long, literally around VWAP, possibly 87 at this point of control. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on the ES. That's how I would play her. If we can get a pullback back into this range right here, I'll be looking for a long. I want to see the bulls trap the bears. So I want to see the bears try. I need to see them try. The reason why I need to see them try is because I know that I'm gonna need to use their buy stops to push this market higher. So we gotta have them try. And once we see that they fail and we see that signal candle, that's when I want to go long. And my target would be around that 14 area. 14 to 15 area is where I would short on the ES. But we can definitely, the way it's setting up, we can definitely see this. The way it's setting up if they don't bounce it here on the 21. So that's my game plan for the ES right now. Yeah, I lost two. I lost two as well, MP3. I lost two as well. And moving forward, I might actually just start just trading the 50Ks with ES, and I might just go up to the 100Ks with the Nasdaq because you kind of need more than $1,200 with the Nasdaq, man. You kind of need more than that. You got to be absolutely perfect if you're trading Nasdaq with the 15 with only $1,200 a drawdown. You got to be perfect. But congratulations on that catch, though. Congratulations on that catch. Because with the Nasdaq, she can definitely take your soul away. She'll definitely take it away. Okay. All right. So we saw this stop run. So we saw this break of structure here. So if the bears, so I'm willing to scale into this. I'm willing to add to this position if I see what I need to see. I do see the bears trying to short this right now. I do see them trying. So because I see them trying, I know that above these highs and above these highs, there's stops. Now, we talked about this last week. This is major supply. So I do expect for the bears to be successful. I do expect that. The CVD is negative as well. My only concern, my bias would be that where would it go? I mean, I know we got a gap to fill. I know everybody is being very mindful of that gap on both the net. Oh, I think the ES filled it this morning, but the Bears got caught trying to fill this gap this morning here at that 719 to about 700, wherever that is. This gap was not filled this morning, and a lot of Bears paid the price because of that. Because I know they was trying to target at least that gap, and unfortunately, they got used as liquidity this morning. So. Um, I am being very mindful that that could be a possibility. However, I do see that there's VWAP right here. Yeah, so 706 is the top of this gap, and about 719 is the or 719 is the top, and 706 is the bottom of this gap. So we can definitely see price come back all the way down. Hmm. You know what? I'm willing to try this. I'm willing to try it. I'm willing to try. I'm willing to try this. Okay. But I do want to try to read that candle. All right, so I'm willing to try that. This was about a 50-50 trade. What I'm looking for is for them to bounce it and double top it for real. This is a double top, but I just wanted to try and see if we can actually have the bulls come back in and try to push it back up. You know, Mondays. So the last 3 Mondays, if you look, it's been choppy. It didn't feel like it in the moment, but if you look at the charts, we've had trending Mondays the past almost 3 Mondays, where the market would trend in the opposite direction. We've seen that, and just like the day, the market definitely trended or is trending. Mm, okay. What I could do is reduce my risk and put my stop underneath this low. But what I don't want to happen is for them to come and tap this low and then go up. I'm, I'll keep it here, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it here, even if, yeah, we'll see. But it does look like they're selling it off the 21 EMA. So it does appear that the bears are somewhat in control. The CVD is negative at the moment. But I'm just going to stick with the structure today. But I know eventually that the bears may try to come back in and really knock this thing down. But I just no longer trust the bears anymore, regardless if they show me that they mean business. Mm. So the ES is kind of staying in the same spot as well. Mm. So yeah, this is definitely going to be the deciding factor. If they can't get it over this range, then we can see more downside. But if the bulls can push past this area, past this range, then I think we can get to that target at 2080. But they're definitely going to need to push past this area. But mind you, like I said, there is a double top here. Mm. All right. Well, okay. Like I said, they got to get it above this range right here. They got to. You can see that the bears are trying. And if these bears fail, if they fail to push, they fail. We know what's right here. Oh, looks like them bears about to feel it. We get this push. We all know where it's going. Mm, okay. All right. We got stopped out of that one. Okay. All right. So they might be going for VWAP. I'll be looking for, oh, dude. All right. Fucking NQ. So they might be going for VWAP on this one. And I see it too. See it. Five, 57, 857. Mm, 895. That's that low. So, and they might want to come back here. Let's see. All right. So typical NQ. Hmm. I guess let's see, because that was technically the high before the drop. Let's see. Hmm. I mean, they did use that. Hmm. Typical NQ. Typical NQ, man. Typical. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Again, this was a trade location. It's trade location again. Fuck. Nice. Nice one, NQ. Nice. Nice. Nice one. Nice. Oh my God, dude. Nice. Nice. Okay. Oh my God. Nice. Nice one. Nice. Hmm. Nice. All right. So I really don't know what's going on with me in the NQ today, where I'm trading in the right areas. However, I'm still getting stopped out. I guess I'm getting in too early for it to retrace and still go in my favor, or go in the arrow. What am I doing? And still going to the direction that I was looking for. Actually, let me take this off because I'm starting to see something. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. I mean, I do see this area right here. They are rejecting it so far. We'll see. Yeah, the Nasdaq is definitely being sassy right now. Okay. So yeah, she's definitely being sassy. She didn't even have to do all this. She ain't had to do. Like I swear, she did not have to do this. She could have wait. She could have kept going. If this is where she always was intending to go, she didn't have to do all this. Stop everybody out and then just go. She's just being real sassy today. Hmm. Hmm. So I'm going to make the assumption that, I mean, if they don't want to bounce it here, if they don't want to bounce this here, then that means they're going for VWAP. But I do see a lot of buying in this area. I do see buying. But on the higher time frame chart, you do see it though. You do see it. So they might be going for VWAP. I would highly. I'm definitely taking. Okay, so I'm waiting for. I'm definitely going to be waiting for. Oh crap. I'm definitely waiting for this area. I'm definitely. Oh man, there's the 200, the 50 VWAP in this area right here. Oh, I'm definitely waiting for that. And I guess I should have took that short. I was thinking about taking it short, but I'm taking this I'm definitely taking this long. Where's my ATM strategy at? I'm definitely going to take this long. But what I don't want to get caught up in, I'm definitely was going to take this long. This was definitely, I was going definitely going long here. Okay. So where's my entry at? 86. All right, now here goes the first target. Hmm. All right. Just gotta let it play out, man. Yeah, John, we're all addicted to the NQ. We're all addicted to her. You're not the only one. It's like, dude, you tell yourself that you're gonna trade her a specific way, but then she just does things to the point to where it's like, yo, she can possibly get 20 to a crap. She can do what I want here. I don't have to wait. She can do it here. And that's the trap that I usually find myself getting caught up with the NQ. I'm not gonna lie. I usually get caught up in that trap. Like she can do it here. Just let her do it. Just let her work. Ah, Actually, let me look at the ES real quick. Yep, bounced right at that. She bounced at 90. She didn't get to her VWAP yet, but she did bounce. You said, what was that? That was a bounce, my guy, the guy. That was a bounce. She's just playing with me at this point. Uh, nice, nice. Fine. Don't take my target. Don't take it. Come on, NQ. Come on. Hit that last target, man. Hit that target at 45, baby. You can do it. You can do it. You can push past that 200 EMA. You can do it. Uh, okay. Okay. Damn. Okay. Freaking Bears. Freaking Bears. All right. So if I do this one more time, will I get what I want? Or was this just a dead cat bounce? Don't do it. Okay. Shit. Ah. Come on, boo. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. This is an area of strong demand, baby. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Baby, come on. Oh, stop playing with me. All right, man. Okay. Okay. Come on, boo. Come. Ah. Okay. Man. Okay. I guess she's not gonna give it to me, man. Y'all saw I was like $30 away from it, man. Like, come on, man. God damn. I was $30 away from it. She couldn't give me $30. 30. That's it. That's all I needed was $30. Okay. All right. So it looks like they're finding support in this area. They're trying. They're definitely trying in this area. And this is all I need, baby. Just push it. Just push it, baby. Just push it. Just push it. Just push, push, push. That's all I need, baby. No, don't push it to the downside. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Yeah, I really can't play with this one. I got like 26 contracts on it, so I really got to kind of be mindful about my risk to reward on this one. This is a high area of demand. It's just that for some reason the Bulls are playing with it. I don't know why. They're pumping it, and then the Bears are just quickly dumping it. And I'm just only, or I was $30 away from passing the account. But it does seem like the Nasdaq is gonna. She's playing with my emotions right now. Oh crap! There it was, baby. But damn! It was. I had it. I think I still got it. I had it. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I passed the account. Damn. Damn it. Okay. Are you gonna give it to me again? Are you gonna give it to me? Okay. I think I got it. Yep. Yep. I can close it. I can close it. I can close it. I can close. Make sure I can close. Passed. Passed. Yo, y'all see that? That's so crazy. I was just up $3,200 and supposedly I lost $170 just closing the position, but it still passed. Okay, so that's good. Passed. Cool. Man, the Nasdaq has definitely been sassy today. So I hit daily loss limit in my funded account. I didn't know it was in it. I don't ever want to start a day, especially a Monday, in a funded account. However, I lost $1,200 in that account, but I just passed. Excuse me. I already passed one, so I guess today is an even day. Um, Look at that. Look at that drop. They're trying to fill that gap. They're trying to fill that gap now. So kind of going back to what we was talking about earlier. So that 2030 area was definitely an area I was looking for last week. So what I was expecting last week, it doesn't matter, but we're getting what I was looking for last week today. And this is why on Friday, when I was going long, this is what I was looking for. I was looking for a price to trade up into this area, 2030. We got the 27. So from 27, we saw this massive drop because it's major supply. And so, yeah, I thought they was going to at least run it to 2050. But they said, no, 2030 is good enough. So they dropped it here. They could possibly be going to. So I'll be looking for 815-ish, and coincidentally is right here at this golden zone. So I'm looking at 815, 810, because we've seen this breakout from this area. And this is probably where the market wants to try to rebalance. If we get a break of this area, this golden zone right here around 815-ish to 802, because we all know that they like to front run that 800 level, so we may or may not see it. If we do touch 800, I do feel that it might be going down a little bit more. Yeah, possibly to that 795 area, because that 795 has just been support for a very long time. A lot of people like this level for some reason. I don't know why, but you can see that there's a lot of business in and around this one level. You can see they used it. They broke structure here. They popped it above. They broke it. They broke out. They broke below. They broke it. They popped above it. They just like this level for some reason. So, that's what I'm going to be looking for. But I'm done trading for today. I already passed this account. So I'm not. So I'll be funded. Well, I have a second funded account. But as I said, with these 50K accounts, I might probably just stick mostly with the ES trades with the 50. What I probably might do is actually trade a 100K account so I can have that extra $1,000 of drawdown, because sometimes you kind of need that extra $1,000 to get your money back with the Nasdaq. So I'm just going to stick with the ES on the 50Ks and the 100Ks with the Nasdaq. I think I'm going to start doing that moving forward. Yeah, they found support here, but I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't trust it. We're downtrending right now. Price is definitely in a downtrend, and we left major supply. So I really wouldn't trust this until we see. Yeah, they might be trying to go to the bottom of this trend line. Yeah. Yeah, that's where they probably might go. This is probably like the bottom. About 783. At 783. 783. 783 would be right here. John, this was the so I trade MFF. I think MFF might be my new home. Might be. Actually, it is my new home. I mean, like I said, the only thing that I really don't like with MFF is my funded futures is sometimes y'all see it on stream a lot that if it's really volatile, for some reason I can't move my targets on the chart. It turns orange. It'll still fill, but I can't adjust it. And sometimes I have to log in the Tradeovate just to sometimes I have to log into Tradeovate just to cancel orders, which I shouldn't have to do that. But I mean, unfortunately, that's what I have to do. But for the most part, outside of that, I mean, with it just being straight from eval to funded without no assignment fee, there's really no reason to trade other prop firms, in my opinion. Smith, he does trade take profit trader, and I know Alfred says that single day payout does make up for it. In my opinion, I don't know. But Smith has definitely gotten a bunch of payouts from that. With his style of trading, he's definitely taking advantage of that. So yeah, I guess it really depends on what you're looking for. We all know that take profit trader, they entice you with the single day payout, and then they hit you with the trailing drawdown. A lot of people fail at that part because they hit you with 5 days of trading, and then they already know that you're anxious to get that payout when you're first funded. They switch it to trailing drawdown, and a lot of people, especially in those 50Ks, like to gamble. You really have to be perfect. You have to be perfect to get that payout with take profit. But it can be done. I'm not saying it can't be, but you just have to understand what you're getting into if you go that route. Okay, so let's see. All right, so they lost the VWAP on ES. I guess I should have just took this. I guess I should have took this short. And that's the one thing about the ES that I mean, I'm still trying to kind of gauge out. This was definitely a great risk reward short. Sometimes I do forget that this is not the NQ. Actually, this is a great risk reward long. Actually, let me make sure I'm out this account because I'm not going to make that same mistake that I made this morning. So 49. Ah, shit, I missed it. Ah, crap. I might have missed it. This actually is a great risk reward long. Baby, please, please, let me, please. There you go. This actually might be a great opportunity to go long, and I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Okay. So I'm in this long on the ES, but actually I have to end the stream. So I mean I'm going to take this. This is like a $400 loss if I'm wrong. This is enough. This is honestly, this stop is kind of overdoing it. 2 to 3 points below this low is all I need. But I'm just going to follow my strategy. I'm going to keep my 6 points. It lets me know that if I get stopped out, then I'm wrong. I mean, if you get stopped out, you're wrong. But this stop is way overcompensating for what this is because this is a risk reward trade. If we lose this low, we're going lower if we lose it on the ES. But if the bulls find support here, then we have a potential to at least get back up to about 80, 90. We can possibly get back into this range here. But if I'm wrong, I mean, they're just going to run this low and it's going to go down lower. So I'll take this trade. This is a risk reward trade, just to mind you. Just risk reward. That's it. But all right, that's all I have for today. That's all I have. I got a meeting in the next 10 minutes. So I appreciate all that join. Again, we did hit daily loss limit on one account, but we'll definitely get that money back tomorrow. We passed one account, so the day is bittersweet. So I'll give today a yeah, okay. Yeah. But all right, guys, I appreciate you guys joining, and we'll do this again. Smith said he'll be here tomorrow, so we'll have more commentary tomorrow. We'll have a difference of opinions. You saw that Smith took the short. and I took the long. I was just a little bit too early in my long, but yeah. But all right, guys, I appreciate you joining. Peace out.